Hey guys, my name is Zach Goodman and I work for Empower Energy Solutions. And I use Aurora for every single one of my projects in terms of ease of use, efficiency, accuracy, and so forth. Um, just for an example, this was one of the projects that I had built out. It was super simple to see the irradiance using the LiDAR, adjust if I need to add or remove trees, so forth and so on. The 3D modeling is absolutely amazing. Being able to customize and move panels to a different location couldn't be any easier. This was one of the projects that I'm doing here in Connecticut. I can adjust the panel type that I'm using. I could string the entire system myself. I can add fire pathways, as you can see, are already implemented on the project as they already have codes integrated in there. I can use an auto designer. I can custom design, so forth and so on. By far one of my favorite platforms to be able to use. Being in the solar industry for a little over 4 years now, having access to something like this, especially being able to build a live design with a customer, is unparalleled. So super grateful to be able to use a platform like this, for Aurora to be able to have such a cool tool. In addition to that, I'm able to see the square footage of each roof facet, so I can easily quote for a new roof if need be, so forth and so on. So again, it really doesn't get better than this when it comes down to it. And I think the most important thing is the amount of data that gets integrated in the app so that I can predict accuracy for a customer solar system is something that's so important for customer experience, for longevity, for the industry, for Integris reasons, where we've seen in the past so many people doing things, whether they were taught it or just didn't have the tools, doing things incorrectly. This allows almost fail-proof and foolproof to be able to do things the right way, with everything across the board. So I absolutely love it.